South Africa has one of the highest rates of food insecurity in the world. Half of our population does not have constant access to enough safe and nutritious food. The pandemic has increased the number of people suffering from hunger. When I heard about Roots and Shoots Seeds of Hope project, I realized that helping to grow seedlings for school and community food gardens would be the perfect way to improve the community's food security foundation. Over the past 18 months, I've grown well over 1,500 vegetable seedlings for Roots and Shoots Seeds of Hope project. The moment that had the greatest impact on me was seeing how well these gardens have been growing and hearing that the communities have already begun to harvest and eat some of the vegetables grown from my seedlings. It was also really rewarding to take the project into my school and have 20 girls arriving to meet Roots and Shoots with their own seedlings that they had grown. We handed over enough seedlings to fill a car and a trailer. I would like to encourage everyone to get involved in growing seedlings to contribute to community vegetable gardens. By simply planting seedlings using seeds or pips from the food you have eaten, you can easily give back to your communities and help others to grow stronger together. I have no doubt that, like me, you will really enjoy being able to nurture something and see it grow and feel that you are, in some way, having a living and lasting impact, however small, on the community.
The message that I want to give is don't take things for granted, because as we've seen with COVID, it can put a lot of people in struggles. I'd just like to say thank you to my school, St. Stithians College. Thank you to my family, and lastly, thank you to the Roots and Shoots organization. I'd like everyone to follow the incentive, which is to help where you can, because I really feel strongly about it. Thank you guys.